Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Karit. So this time, let us solve this word problem. Okay, paano natin i-interpret ang problem na ito? 2 times the sum of the number x and 7 is 13. Okay, so this is how to solve. To multiply natin dito sa x plus 7 equals to 13. Next, let us multiply 2 dito sa x and 7 sa loob ng parenthesis. So, 2 times x, that is 2x. Then, 2 times 7, that is positive 14, equals to 13. Next, write 2x, then equals to 13. Transpose this positive 14 to the right. So it becomes now negative 14. Okay. So next, write again 2x. Then subtract 14 to 13. So that is negative 1. Next, divide the coefficient 2 by itself. Also at the right. Then 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So it is equivalent to x. Then our value of x is now negative 1/2. That's the answer.